Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you another take on the regular snake knot bracelet. This version is a bit more colorful with an alternating color sequence on one side of the bracelet. For the supplies, I'm going to be using a buckle 3/8 of an inch wide. And for the cordage, I'm going to be using Type 1 Paracord, also referred to as 95 cord. 2 pieces 2 feet long each, in different colors, and one longer piece. This one is 3.5 feet long. We begin by attaching our 3 strands onto the buckle using a simple hitch. Later on, we're going to melt the tips of our cords to secure our strands into place a bit further. So, leave a small section like this. Grab your next strand and repeat. So a simple hitch. And the last one, again using the same hitch, secure your strand into place. Now, proceed by melting each tip into place. So that's our initial setup. We now continue by tying snake knots. In our snake knots, the leftmost, longer strand is going to be used every time. The other 2 strands are going to alternate. So let's tie our first snake knot. Grab the left strand, create a loop around the other 2 strands. Then pick one, pass it behind, then over the top, into your loop. So that's a snake knot. Tighten it up as close to your half hitches as possible. So you can clearly see that the other strand here, which is unused, acts as a cord. We tie the second snake knot almost exactly the same, just with the other strand. So the left one is again going to form a loop around the other 2 strands. Then pick this one, so the other color, pass it behind, over the top, into your loop. Tighten up, finishing up your second snake knot. Continue, this time with the other color. So again, left cord forms a loop around the other 2 strands. Then we pick this one, pass it behind, then over the top into our loop. Tighten up. So the next snake knot is going to be the same as the second one. So using this color off cord. Left strand passes around the other two strands, creating a loop. Grab this cord, pass it behind, over the top, into your loop. So, this is how you alternate the color of your snake knots. Let's do a couple of more, this time without any narration. When you reach a sufficient length for your bracelet, finish it up the same way that you started, by tying 3 hitches, then trimming off and melting the ends. So guys, this concludes our tutorial on a rather colorful variation of the snake knot bracelet. I would like to sincerely thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in my future videos as well.